All right, so this is Scott, and I am going to show you this awesome Web 2.0 tool that is completely free and is a great tool for teachers to use. So the website is called screencast-o-matic.com. So you just type in screencast-o-matic.com to access the website. Once you get onto the website, you will be prompted by this screen, and you can either sign up, and it's completely free to sign up. You can get updates on things that the website creates, and it gives you teachers' ideas, and it gives you a place to store your videos. Or you can do what I'm doing right now, and you can just click the button that says Start Recording for Free, and then it'll prompt you to download the recorder, and you'll start, and you just press record, and you can record your video then. Nice thing about the free use is it gives you 15 minutes of recording time, and for teachers that is definitely um, plenty enough time to record a video of something that you're doing on a computer screen. Um, it I would, teaching high school, I definitely wouldn't show my students a video of me talking and showing them how to do something for 15 minutes because they definitely would not pay attention that long. So that's great. There are all these different tools on here. If you click on for education, it brings you to ideas for education. Like I said, I would use this as a math teacher to show problems, talk them through it, and work through it if I were, not able to come to class, and they would still be able to get the instruction for the day. But yeah, it's very simple to use. Like I said, you just click start recording, and then whatever you are doing on your screen, it records, and then it also records your voice to make it able for you to explain what you're doing on the screen. Also great for presentations in front of peers and things to show what you're doing on screens. So yeah, that is Screencast-O-Matic. Nice thing about the website too, before I go, tutorials. So if you don't understand how to do something or you have a question, they have a whole bunch of videos on here that show you how to do every single thing that you could possibly need. Um, and then, like any other website, they have, a place where you can get support. Um, but yeah, so hopefully you check this out and you enjoy it. It's a great tool for flipping the classroom, giving your instruction at home. It works great with Google Classroom. It connects to Google Classroom, Schoology, even Canvas, which we use with, right here. That's what you use for ACE. So these are all the different, tools that it just easily can be, submitted on and everything. So then once you're done with the video, it creates a YouTube account since I'm using the free one and I don't have any place to store it. And then I'll be able to, show my kids the YouTube account or the YouTube link. Um, Other than that, hopefully you use it and it works great for you as it has for me.